Thinking about upgrading your floors? Today I'm sharing the ultimate guide to DIY flooring. From pro tips to tricks you need to know, this is the video that'll save you time, money, and headaches. Let's dive in. First up, choosing the right flooring for your space. Laminate like Mohawk Revwood is perfect for durability and style. Vinyl planks, they're waterproof and budget-friendly. And hardwood, classic, but not always DIY-friendly. Think about your space, traffic, and budget before deciding. Preparation is everything. Start by removing old flooring and cleaning your subfloor. Uneven surfaces? Use a leveling compound. Don't skip this step. It's the foundation of a flawless install. Pro tip, lay down an underlayment for added soundproofing and moisture protection. Don't start without these. You'll need spacers, a tapping block, a jigsaw or circular saw, and measuring tools. Trust me, having the right tools makes all the difference. When installing, always start in the corner furthest from the door. Use spacers to keep a consistent gap for expansion. Use a tapping block to snugly fit the planks together. Don't hammer directly on the edges. Finally, add those finishing touches. Install baseboards or quarter rounds to cover gaps and give your space that polished look. Clean up and you're done. Congrats, you're officially a flooring pro. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more DIY tips. And if you're looking for affordable, high-quality flooring, check out arcoflooring.com for wholesale prices. Until next time, happy DIYing.